everybody. I am going to do something different this week because I don't have anything for freeze dry, but I'm doing an experiment and I wanted to try something with a vacuum chamber. And I've always wanted one of those Avid Armor vacuum chambers, but I couldn't justify the high dollars that it would cost for how little I would use it, I think, you know. Plus I just don't have the room for that. But I was looking on Amazon and I found this Avid Armor. It's pretty new. It's called the Ultra 1, and it's a very small chamber vacuum. I mean, it's 12 inches by 12 inches by 6 inches. So it don't take up a lot of huge counter space, which is what I was looking for. But it's actually got a pretty good little chamber in there. And as everybody knows, pretty much I use these meal pouches. And the meal pouch will fit in here beautifully. Both the single and the double meal pouch, although the double meal pouch does pretty much take the full width of that heat strip. But I did try it and it does work. So I'm not going to get into the experiment I'm doing because that's going to be on my next video probably, or one coming up real soon. But I just wanted to demonstrate this because it's very affordable. It isn't a huge amount, but it does the job. And it comes with the port, and I bought the hose separately so that you can do your canisters, or you can use the mason jar attachment on that, or whatever. So it's really got everything I need, and it's not a huge chamber. So you wouldn't be able to do a big gallon bag in here, but pretty much anything else I think that we do as freeze dryers do, we could probably get in there. So anyway, it's something for you to think about. It's in my Amazon store. If you want to support my channel, you can click on that link, and that'll be in the description box below. And that's an affiliate link, so I do earn a very small commission if you order through that link, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. So it's really a good deal. But if you don't want to use my link and you just want to go to Amazon, if you go to Amazon, look at the Avid Armor Ultra 1, there it'll be. So I just want to demonstrate this real quick in one of my meal pouches. I got a meal pouch here, single meal pouch. And I got some gourmet Amish mushroom popcorn, which we are going to be coating some of this at a later date. This pops like a mushroom, not like your normal popcorn. So it's really what you need to do for coating, really. So I'm going to put a cup in this bag just to demonstrate. I might put 2 cups just to really push it to the limit. Make a mess, John. Alright, so I got that in there. You just clip it under this little clip right there. Make sure it's laying flat. I always try to make sure the heat bar is not going to go across my little notches, even though I can't tear it apart. My hands aren't strong enough. But you definitely don't want to go over your Ziploc on that, though. So we'll close that. Let me get to the other side so we can see what we're doing. And we are going to put this, I'm going to do a full vacuum. They have 3 different vacuums, all the way from 1, which is like a light, medium, or a heavy vacuum. We'll go heavy. Then it's got a seal time, which is 1, a 4, a 1, 2, and a 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 3 being the longest seal, which is that the one you would use for 7mm Mylar. So we'll put that on 7. We'll put seal and press the automatic seal. There you go. You watch the lights there, it'll go along as it draws its vacuum. Had to cut out a cough there. Okay, now it's sealing. And it has released the seal. Check that out. So you can see we can easily do our single meal pouches in that and get a nice vacuum seal. Rock hard. Gonna let that cool down just a second and then we'll try and pull that apart. It puts a double seal on there too. I think that's pretty standard for all Avid armors. There you go. You're not going to pull that apart. That's got a great seal. So, that's just something for you guys to think about. Like I say, we'll be demonstrating this in an upcoming video. And I think from now on I might be, unless it's something really delicate, I might start vacuum sealing my meal pouches. It takes up less room. Plus, it gives me more confidence that my O2 absorber is going to take up anything that's left in there. Because I don't like wasting food. So, there you got it. I hope you enjoyed this. I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate link, but you don't have to. I think it's really a great solution for a single person who doesn't have a lot of space. This takes up has a very small footprint, but it'll still do the bags that I'm just in love with. So there you have it. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.